Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by capturing a usable voice sample. Record 5 minutes of clean audio at 44. 1 kHz, mono, 16-bit so the model learns timbre and pitch. Once recorded, trim breath noises and normalize gain to avoid clipping. This preserves dynamics. Install the Singing AI framework and required libraries, and confirm GPU drivers or optimized CPU kernels. Make sure to label files clearly and export WAV files. Now that prerequisites are ready, once your clips and labels exist, split the recordings into two 10-second segments and include note or pitch metadata for each. Then run forced alignment or a pitch extraction tool to map phonemes to timing. This gives the model precise timing and pitch targets. Start fine-tuning the singing model on your labeled clips using a low learning rate and validate regularly so you catch overfitting. As training progresses, listen for artifacts and adjust augmentation or regularization to retain natural expressiveness. You now synthesize short test phrases to evaluate pitch accuracy, timing, and vocal character. Listen critically and compare to your reference. When outputs sound robotic or off-pitch, apply formant correction, light denoising, and tasteful reverb to restore naturalness. If timing or phoneme errors persist, revisit alignment and pitch extraction, then retrain with more varied examples or augmented data. One key troubleshooting tip: if artifacts remain after post-processing, reduce training rate and increase alignment precision before collecting additional data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.